guys! Welcome back sa panibagong video. So ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Eternal Night. Kasama ko ngayon si
Jake.
So, bago tayo magsimula, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Let's go!
Bro! Oh. Hey!
Yo, ang angas!
Oshi! Skip! Anyone scared? Because we're already close to the pizzeria. Are you sure that those animatronics won't wake up? I heard a lot of stories about employees getting attacked. They don't seem just like robots. Oh, relax, chill out. They only look scary because the place is so dimly lit. We're just going to take a quick look to see how things are, just for the thrill. Thriller! Thriller night. Why so much fear, guys? Let's just go to the... after that weekend. I'm in for that idea. Skip! 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 Okay, we're starting, guys. Guys, we're starting. O to the M to the G. Car. Guys! Wait. Pre-game store. I don't have money. Start. I don't have money. we don't have money, chat. Yo, they can hear me?
Wala akong makita.
I heard the noise.
Where? Wala akong makita, ang dilim.
Stuck at 30%.
Stuck at 30%.
May players ako. I have players.
Ano to? No fuse.
Ano yan?
Yo, ano yan? Ano yan?
Si Chica.
What is that?
What the heck?
Kakatakot.
So scary.
Saan tayo?
Fuse box.
Ba't ang dilim?
My vents.
What happened?
I have a flashlight.
Asan ka
Where
na?
are you?
Where are you? Hindi kita makita.
This is not Barney. I forgot what his name is. Bonnie.
Nasaan ka? Di kita makita.
Fuse. Look, fuse. Wow, fuse. Yes, okay.
What's this?
Guys, I found the fuse. I did
Yo,
it.
we have a light.
Yay! Yeah, I did it. Yo, Bonnie
Saan ka
is
na?
here.
Ayun ka pala, oh. Dito ka pala eh.
Hi!
Hello?
Hello.
Sino to?
Si Bonnie.
Bonnie?
Yeah. Partner.
Where's Freddy?
Bro, who did this?
Uy, saan natin to?
Today around 4 a.m., an employee at Freddy Fazbear Pizza, known for its giant animatronics that entertained children, was bitten on the head by one of the active machines. According to the owner, the animatronics kept active at night to prevent their mechanisms from freezing the next day. The bite caused an injury to the frontal lobe of the employee who was working at the night shift. During the investigation, the owner stated that the animatronics were undergoing maintenance off-site and therefore could not be analyzed by the forensic team, making it difficult to determine the exact cause of the accident. According to the management, the exact causes are still under investigation. The police were called and are collecting statements from other employees. Following the incident, the owner decided to permanently close the pizzeria to prevent a similar problem from happening again. This is TS not tough. Move to close screen. What? How? I can't take it off my screen! What? Move to close screen. TS not tough. Yo! I'm moving! Oh! Yay! I did it! Yay!
Tara, dito na ta.
Sorry, out of order.
Wala doon na flashlight.
Let's go. Oh, let's go here.
Saan ba? Dito.
Security room.
Security room. Uy, ba't ka pumunta dyan?
ATM, kuha tayo.
Yo, nakakatakot dito. ATM. Oh, arcade. Arcade. Yo.
Security room is right here.
Ulog.
Ulog.
Uy, chest.
Uy,
Oh,
chest.
chess.
May
Oh,
ano ko
may ano ko players ako.
Need flyers.
Coins.
Yo, coins.
Nice. May coins din ako. Nakaka-coins. Where's the security room?
Oh, meron pa isa.
Oh, meron pa isa.
What is
Meron pa
this?
isa. Meron pa isa.
One more.
One more.
Like
Coins.
party.
Coins.
Coins again. Para siyang party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo. Yo, nagulat ako. Nagulat ako doon. Uy! Ba't mo ako sinasaraduhan?
Oh.
Ay, nastuck ako. Uy, nastuck ako. Yo.
Bro.
Bro,
Ay, dito pala. Sorry. Saan na tayo? Saan na tayo?
Sa security
sa security room tayo.
Where's the security room?
Arcade.
Arcade. Backrooms. Uy, back.
Ay! Huwag mo ako iwanan. Dito na sa ba?
Dito ka ni
Dito ka ni... dito.
Dito ba? Dito ba?
Oh, di ba?
Oh, di ba?
It's a good
It's a good
Okay, okay.
escape room.
This is... I found the
I found the
security room.
security room.
Yo, 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 yo.
No, I'm just kidding.
No, I'm just kidding. Wala pa.
Iba naman to. Kala ko kung ano na eh.
Oh! Left, right, good night. Ah, okay. Okay, nothing's wrong. Nothing's wrong. Oh, pwede mo siya maikot. Ano, kailangan lang natin mag-survive. Yeah, we need to survive. Wag. Wag. Nagbabawas yan ng energy natin. Yeah. Nice. East corridor of the arcade. Arcade. Nothing's in the arcade. Just be careful. Uy, may screwdriver ka. Walkie-talkie, oh. Take the walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkie.
Tignan ko lang yung CCTV.
Take the walkie-talkie.
Turn vision.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Check.
Come on, come to... Okay. Nakita kita dyan ah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saan na tayo?
Dito pa rin. Dito
I'm just checking corners. Wala.
Wala.
Ikaw Sige, ako na lang. Camera. Ikaw sa doors.
Para saan ng walkie-talkie?
Pag
Pag naka-busy, pwede mag-usap
malayo.
ng malayuan.
Okay. Yo. Ba't napunta doon yung
Yo, may
walkie-talkie?
Yo.
Yo! Naglalakad siya na yun. Tingnan natin ito sa CCTV.
This kind of scary, man.
Yo, what is that? Okay, walang sauce.
We're safe, guys.
We're safe, guys. We're safe.
Yo, I think we need to hide.
Sean.
An animatronic is getting close to the security room.
Close.
Fast, hide! Hide! Yo!
No, I don't
No, I don't die.
No, we died.
I told you! Bunny.
Okay, I got it. I understand now.
Yup.
How are you alive? Oh.
Yay!
Yo, we don't have light. We don't have light.
Yo, I hear
something.
Yo, I can't see! Wala akong makita. Nasa ka na? Open ko tong walkie-talkie.
Okay,
Engage dangerous, yes.
I want
that got away. That one that got... Puppet has no power.
I think we need to
Okay, kailangan natin
fix
mag-ayos.
the...
Yeah, we need to
fix the fuse box.
Yes.
Don't think sound. I gotta whisper. That's one.
Puppet has no power. The puppet is no power now.
I gotta
Yo, I can see. I can.
Yo.
Yo, it's funny. Takbo.
I'm sorry, Bonnie.
Yo, I can see! Ah. Yo, what happened?
It's fine use.
What is this?
That's Bonnie.
Right, use this is the power source of the box.
Easier.
The heck? What is this? Yo, I get Aray ko, nabawasan yung buhay ko.
What are you doing?
Aray! Fixing this.
Turn off the fan.
This one. Ito. Wag yan. This one, yan. Wag!
What?
I don't know. My health is going, I'm going to die.
it took them all off.
What we gonna do?
Where are we going? I'm blind.
Bro, I can't see. Yo, what is that?
Bonnie's here. Bonnie's on.
Ano yun? Ayun oh, may parang item siya dun.
Kailangan ko.
Nakikita ko.
I
Yo,
need to find the fuse. Oh, I see.
yo, where are you?
I see where the fuse is at.
Yo. Go get it.
Yo.
What is that?
Whoa.
Narinig,
That is crazy.
narinig na tayo. Yo, hide. Narinig ko yung footstep niya. Nadamay ako. Yan, boy na ako ulit. Yay. Kaso, wala na tayong gamit. Wala na, patay na.
Balik ka sa fuse room.
We don't have power.
Balik ka sa fuse box.
Ang mga... Uy, I saw you. I'm here. Yo! Yung chicken yan, di ba? Reload the puppet. Fast.
Para jump.
Where are we going? Yo! Fast! Fast! Double ako! Yo!